Thinking about hunting in British Columbia, but not sure where to start? Here's your step-by-step guide to becoming a licensed hunter in BC. Step 1. Complete the core program. That's the Conservation and Outdoor Recreation Education course. It teaches you essential skills: wildlife ID, outdoor survival, firearm safety, and hunting ethics. Most beginners take a core course with BC Firearms Academy. Step 2. After passing the written and practical exams, you'll receive your core certificate. Submit it to the BC Wildlife Federation. Step 3. With your certificate in hand, apply for your Fish and Wildlife ID, or FWID, through the province's wild system or in person. It's free and required to hunt legally in BC. Step 4. Once your FWID shows your hunting credential, buy your hunting license and tags. You can do this online or at a Service BC or licensed vendor. Need both your firearms license and core training? Register for the BC Hunting Package. Already have a PAL? Sign up for the core seminar and challenge only. Visit BC Firearms Academy today to find course dates, study tools, and everything you need to start your hunting journey.